Let's move to our resources folder. So here we have the upload. Okay, let's, I think we need only one field. Let's see here. So inside, let's use the forgot password. So here we have only one field there, which is the email. So we can use the same thing. Let's copy from here and paste inside our upload. And now we have the content here. Let's change it to upload an invoice. And what else we have? So we need so here we don't have status, but we will add the alert messages later to display the success message. And here the route will be store dot invoice, and method is post, and we need CSRF token, and we have only one field, as I said, which is the invoice. Here let's use invoice. What else we have here? Email address we can use here, so we can use invoice or anything. And what else we have? So here the input ID, let's give it invoice. The type is file. We can use the form here, form control, and we can use the validation error messages. In our case here we have invoice. And what else we have? So the value here, we don't have value, and all value, let's remove this, and also let's remove this required and auto focus. What else we have? Same thing here, let's change it to invoice, and here the button we can use so the button we can use upload. Okay, and we need other link, or the link that generates, so we can use link here and give it class beta and outline danger, and here it will take us to the route that we have already defined, which is random dot invoice. And inside let's add here generate. What we need, generate random invoice to test the app. Okay, save. Now we have our upload form. Okay, we need to be registered and logged in to access it. So I think I forgot the name of the users that I have created before. Let's check if this user exists. So this user doesn't exist. Okay, let's create a new user because I forgot the users that we have created before. Register, and email has already been taken, so which means that this user already exists. Okay, so I forgot the password. We can use any name, any email, and any password. Register, and we are registered and logged in. As you can see, we have here this. So this is the welcome page from Laravel. So we don't have dashboard. Let's move to the upload and see our form. So here is our form, upload an invoice. We have here invoice upload. So let's do something. Let's remove this label, so we don't need it. Okay, so no need to add label. Let's remove this ID also here. What else we have? Not here, but here we have this link. So the link is, let's see, so you have the card body. Okay, let's use a card footer and add link inside. So let's add the div here with the card footer, and we paste everything here. Let's go back, refresh the page. And we have here generate random invoice to test, but we have the input field has been moved to, where is it? So here we have to call MD6, and here we have the button. So let's take the whole width, refresh. So same thing. Okay, we can do something. Let's make it 6 and MX auto. Save. Let's go back, refresh. So I think now it's better. Let's move down. So here let's remove this offset 4 and refresh. So we need same thing to make it in center, but we forgot to do something. We need something which is important because we are sending file. We need to use ink type, and we add multi-part form data, okay, because we are sending a file. This is an important thing. Let's refresh, and now it's better. So let's click on the upload button and see if we have validation errors. The invoice field is required. Let's generate a random file. And as you can see, I forgot to tell you that we have here the user, the upload, and how many. We have already seen this when we created the navbar, and we have here how many hearts he has and logout link. Okay, we have already seen that. Let's now bring this invoice and put it here and upload and see what we have. So the invoice field is required. Why? We give it name. Let's move down. So I think we don't have name here. That's why. Okay, let's add name invoice. Save. Let's go back, refresh. Let's do that again. Put the file here, upload. And as you can see, we are redirected to the home page, which means that the invoice has been created. We can check using PHP Artisan Tinker, and we can use the model, which is the invoice, to find all the invoices. Let's use the model. So the model is inside the app, models, invoice, and let's call all. Hit enter, and as you can see, we have invoice. The ID is 1, the company is null, the invoice number is null, the date is null, the total is null, the currency is null, the file path is here, the user ID is true. So we did not get anything, as you can see here. So everything is null. Let's see why we have everything here null. Let's go back to our code. So here we get text. Let's do something. Let's tie dump the text and check if we have extracted text from here. Let's go back. Let's upload again. And as you can see, we have the invoice number, the company, the date, the amount, and thank you for your business, which means that we are extracting the text. So there is something wrong here inside this call. So here we have the post model. So here I have missing B. So sorry. So I have missing B here. So sorry, I did not notice it. So even though I do my best to not forget things, I forget many things. What else we have here? So I think that the error is here. So here the error. So here is the variable that we are sending to our Hugging Face. So here we need to use double quotes. So sorry, double quotes. Why double quotes? Because we are sending variable text. So I just noticed it. So here we need double quotes, not single quotes. Let's save. Okay, so I think that's all. This is the mistake. So the mistake was here and also the B that we have here. So I think the other things are correctly done. Okay, let's go back. So let's refresh and send again. As you can see, we are redirected to the home page, which means that the invoice has been stored. Let's move to so here we have null as we have seen. Let's find again. And as you can see, we have the company, invoice number, the date, the total, the currency, and file path. Okay, which means that we have so this one, as you can see, has null, 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 and this one has the right data that we need. Okay, now we have stored our invoices successfully. I told you before that I will tell you why we need to use the verify false here. So we need to tell our application to not verify SSL certificate because here we are not using SSL certificates. We are in local development, so no need to verify it. If we don't do that, so it will try to verify the SSL certificate and we will get an error. Okay, so that's all. Let's do something. If you want to check the content that is returned, we can do something. We can dump the content also here and check it. We have already checked the text. Now let's check the contents that we receive. Let's go back to our upload and let's bring this file. And as you can see here, the number of hearts has been decremented each time the user uploads an invoice. The number of hearts is decrementing. Let's try to upload this new one. And as you can see, we have the company, the invoice number, the date, the total, and the currency. Okay, from line 82 inside invoice controller, this one that we have here. Okay. Let's save it and move to next. And next we need to display the invoices inside our home page here. Okay, so let's do that now.